This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can check the aircraft status on this drone. So in the beginning, make sure that both the aircraft and the remote controller are powered on and you are in the fly-in feed or fly-in interface of the DJI Go app. Then, once you see that the camera feed is working properly and you can well see your camera, tap at this bar over here, tap anywhere from here to there before this drone icon, and you will see the aircraft status or pre-flight checklist. So here you can see whether your firmware is the latest. So if it isn't, I recommend that you update it. You can see all the most critical and essential systems status, so compass, IMU, ESC status, and so on. So once everything seems to be properly adjusted, or everything shows as a normal state, in my case radio channel quality is poor since I'm not recording in the place with a very good GPS connectivity and so on, but in your case, if you will fly it somewhere outside, it should be fine enough. And well, that's how you can check the aircraft status info. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.